Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Christmas ornaments with paper, starting with gathering your supplies. Creating beautiful paper ornaments is a joyful activity that brings a personal touch to your holiday decorations. For this project, you will need a few basic items found around your home or at any craft store. Gather a stack of decorative paper, perhaps measuring 8.5 by 11 inches, along with a sharp pair of scissors and a ruler. A reliable craft glue stick, or liquid glue, will also be essential to hold your creations together securely. Let's prepare our workspace for some festive crafting. Once your supplies are ready, we will begin with a simple yet effective folding technique. Take one sheet of paper and create accordion folds, each about 1 inch wide, running along the longest side. Press firmly along each crease to ensure a sharp, clean fold, which is crucial for structural integrity. You will need to fold about 8 to 12 identical sections, depending on the desired fullness of your final ornament. This foundational step is key to building an attractive, three-dimensional shape. Now, let's bring your folded pieces together to form a cohesive ornament. Take 2 folded sections and apply a small amount of craft glue along one end of each, then press them firmly together. Continue this process, connecting all your folded sections in a circle until you form a complete ring. Gently fan out the paper, molding it into a circular or star-like shape, which will reveal the full beauty of your folds. Hold the shape until the glue begins to set, ensuring your ornament holds its form. With the basic structure complete, it is time for the exciting part, adding your finishing touches. Cut a piece of ribbon or string, approximately 6 inches long, and loop it through one of the top folds, securing it with a knot for hanging. You can also add a sprinkle of glitter or small self-adhesive gems to give your ornament an extra sparkle and personal flair. These charming, handmade paper ornaments are perfect for adorning your tree or gifting to loved ones, adding a touch of personal warmth to any celebration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.